It's Matt with American Powertrain, and we're back in the shop talking Centerforce again. So last time we were here, we went over the features and benefits of the diode clutch system. Centerforce's ultimate street twin disc clutch setup. It's good for 1,300 foot-pounds of torque. Has all the Centerforce bells and whistles you can ask for. But now they've got a new clutch out. So let's say you're in the 450 foot-pounds up to 900 foot-pounds of torque range. You may not necessarily need all of these features, but you want a good clutch that's easy to drive, easy on your clutch leg, but has a good torque capacity. Well, that's where this comes in, the solid street twin. You can pick up this complete clutch setup for less than $1,000. So it's a great lower cost alternative to the diode, but still with very good torque capacity. Let's go over some of the benefits here. So just like on the diode, it's got the windowed billet steel flywheel for lightweight because you got a lot of parts that have to go together. So this saves you some weight on the back of your engine. It's got ARP hardware, just like the diode had. It uses a 10.5 inch solid hub clutch. It goes together like that. Floater plate, just like on the diode, with the anti-rattle springs built into it. Also marked for construction, just like the diode. So you've got all your assembly markings, so you get it put together in the right way. Because you'll have a very bad time if you don't. Goes together like that. One of the things that's cool is they use a little bit wider spline engagement piece here to go over your input shaft, so you get a little bit better engagement on the input shaft. Goes on there. And last but not least, the shiny gold pressure plate. Got great clamping power, and it's easy on your clutch leg. This particular setup is for an LS engine. So it comes with some extra pilot bearings. Some of the LS engines have some weird pilot bearings, so this kind of covers your range of pilot bearings for your application. Also has all of your hardware to bolt it up to the back of the crank, flywheel bolts. So if you have any questions on this for the solid street twin or the diode or any of the Centerforce products, give us a call at American Powertrain and we can help pick out the right clutch for your project. See you guys.